Hello breakaway friends, hope you're still okay, staying safe at home and washing those hands. It's Sam and Holly.
Hello.
And we're going to show you how to do one of the activities that came out in the new activity pack. If you'd like one of these and you haven't got one, just ask your grown-up to send me an email. So inside the pack we've got a flower stencil that's got loads of different holes on it for lots of different colours. And then inside the envelope we've got lots of bits of tissue paper in different colours. And what Holly's done already, she's scrunched up all these bits in different colours and we're going to decorate the flower. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Let's start with, should we start with the leaves?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. We don't need very much glue. Shall I do one of the petals while you're doing the leaves?
Okay.
Yeah? That's it. Now, how do you want to do this? Are we going to do the petals the same colours, or are we going to go crazy and do lots of different colours?
Do lots of different colours.
Okay.
It'll be a funner way of doing it.
What colour do you think I'm going to start with?
Red.
What's my favourite colour?
Purple.
Purple.
So you do the rainbow backwards.
Those leaves look good. Right, go on then, you start on the pink. What next?
Blue.
Blue? We need to remember to leave some for the middle.
Yeah. We could use that peach colour.
Okay.
Do a bit of orange.
Well, what I'll do is I'll put a bit more glue on here, and then we can use up the spare bits that we've got, and it will make our flower look even nicer.
But we're still going to put some orange in it.
Yeah,
because
you
we
do.
haven't had any yet. So you put some there.
Orange. Oh, I thought, yeah, glue. There you go. Oh, you used two different colours on that one. I like that. Another red one or another blue one? Or
Another
both?
blue one.
Blue. Nearly there. Cool.
That one can't
We'll
go
put it.
in.
Why don't put it on there instead? Right. Let's turn it round so we can show it. Do you think if I lift it up, they're all going to fall off? Whoa! So there we go. See you later, guys. Bye.